Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Have you been enjoying all the work you've done? You have. Very good. We've got listening and speaking activities today. So you need to look at the board behind me. Okay? Right. Let's see. Right. Questions for a sportsman. Now, either for a sportsman, I've got here questions for a sportsman. So, the first one is, how do you build your stamina for sports? Now, how would you build your stamina? Very good. By running, jogging, running on the spot, very good. What else? Skipping, good. Push-ups, very good. What else? Good, well done. Various activities, cardio or other, very good. Now, the next question. What is your daily routine? Now, for a sportsman, what do you think his daily routine could be? If I asked you, what would it be? One at a time. Good. Very good. At first, as soon as he wakes up, he would go for a warm-up exercise. Why would he do a warm-up exercise? Very good. ये आपको किसने बताया ligaments और muscle के बारे में? Oh, biology teacher, and you're studying the human skeleton, so you know all about the muscles and ligaments. Very good. So why do you still need to do, or why does the sportsman need to do a warm-up exercise? अभी खड़े होके ऐसे ऐसे वर्जिश कर लें? Exactly. It can be very harmful if your body is cold, you're not ready, and you start doing vigorous exercise. वो उल्टा आपको exactly नुकसान कर सकती है. Very good. So, in the morning he does a warm-up exercise, and then he might do a regime of or a routine of different exercises. Give me a few. Very good. Biking, skipping, jogging, push-ups. Good. What would he do after that? Daily routine, I want. Exactly. Very good. Then he'd come home, do what? Take a shower, yes. And then, very good. After a shower, a healthy breakfast. Now, remember, nashta, the most important meal of the day. Nashta जो लोग skip कर जाते हैं, very bad. The whole day has gone. नाश्ता है जो आपको पूरे दिन की fueling करता है. So, you should have what? Good. Cereals, porridge, muesli. Very good. What else? Toast, poached or fried. Fried के बजाय poached is better. Healthy अगर रखना है. Poached. Poached क्या है? Poached is जब आपने अंडे को फ्राई पैन में डाला, या तो आप दूध में डाल दें, तो वो दूध में no oil, no ghee, no nothing. Just a frying pan with milk or water. तो छोटे बच्चों के लिए मिल्क अच्छा होता है, बड़ों के लिए वाटर. फिर पानी उबल गया है ना, जैसे तेल गरम हो रहा होता है. फिर आपने अंडे को गरम पानी में अंडे को डाल दिया, ठीक है, तो उसको हम poached egg कहते हैं. Okay? And that's very good for a healthy lifestyle. So, tomorrow, yes, good. And you can have toast, poached eggs with milk or water, tea, coffee, whatever you drink, or orange juice. But it must be fresh, no tang. Fresh squeezed. अव्वल तो आजकल if you can get fresh oranges or apple, just eat the fruit. Instead of, making it a puree or taking the juice out, that is for people who don't have teeth. You're healthy, you can eat the apple, you can eat the orange, so why make a juice out of it? Okay, good. What else would he do? Tell me quick. Good. Exactly. He would then go, he's done all his exercises, he's had a shower, had a bath, had his breakfast. Now what would he do? He would perhaps sit down on the internet and look at new ways of mountaineering. If there's new things, very good. Exactly, any good, well done. Keep track of what's new. So that would take his time. Then he would have lunch, tea. He would, good, very good. Perhaps he's able to train people. That's a good idea too, well done. Good. Now, number 3, where did you do the training? Now, where would you think he would have done the training? In an institute, either an international one or a national level one. Good. Number 4, do you plan to give training to children in school? Do you think a sportsman would like to do that? Supposing we take a cricketer. Do you think he would like to do that? Yes. Very good. Excellent. Yes, because there are some trainers, some sportsmen, yes, they don't have to be someone very popular, any sport person. If they want to give their training to schools, that would be a very good thing. Perhaps they can open up little training centers where children can come and train for any type of sports, whether if it's very good, cricket, football, hockey, badminton, squash, brilliant, tennis, yes. So anything like that which they can do. Mountaineering तो बहुत दूर की बात है, जैसे मिस्टर अशरफ अमान ने किया था. This is something we can do at our own levels. Okay, good. Well done. Now, number 5. When you lose, what is your reaction? Supposing आपने इतनी ट्रेनिंग की है, सब कुछ किया है, मगर हमेशा तो हम नहीं जीत सकते. कभी कभी हार भी जीत होती है. जी, आपने सही सुना. हार भी एक जीत है. क्यों? आपकी हारने से आपको क्या मिला है? आपको एक सबक मिला है ना हारने से. अच्छा, मैं ऐसे नहीं करता, मैं ऐसे करता. इस तरह से होता है. You need to realize, listen, अगर आप हमेशा नंबर 1 आएंगे तो there's not much fun. It doesn't matter. Number 1 is not everything. Being part of the race is something. आप ये ना समझे हर एक, अगर अम्मा अब्बा समझे मेरा बच्चा अव्वल आए तो दूसरे बच्चों अव्वल तो एक ही आ सकता है, दूसरे बच्चों का क्या होगा? Being a part of the race is more important. आपने जिद्दोजहद की, आपने अपनी एड़ी चोटी का जोर लगा दिया और आपने किया, फिर भी आप फर्स्ट, सेकंड में, थर्ड में आए. That is amazing. That is brilliant. First, second is not always a good thing. Successful वो person होता है जिसको failure से सीखना आए. अगर आप हमेशा लोग समझे वाव नंबर 1 आना चाहिए ये, फिर अगर वो हमेशा से अव्वल आ रहा है, बेहतरीन आ रहा है, and all of a sudden वो डाउन होने लगे, what happens? सारे वो परेशानियां लेके वो समझता है मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. So that is bad. Trying to be in a race, it doesn't matter if you're first, second, third, so long as you are part of a race. Okay? Losing is not everything. Okay? Good. Now, look at the video, think of the ideas, record it, send it to your teacher. Allah Hafiz.